literally looks like a little kid that just had a whole bunch of powdered donuts, got a hold of my camera. Hey Glam fam, so today, can you guess what we're doing? Today I'm doing another recreation of one of my favorite YouTubers here on YouTube, and that is Made You Look by Lex, Made You Look, and she is amazing. I'm sure you guys already know all about her, but if you have not seen her or haven't heard about her, I will link her down below. She is an amazing body painter, and today I wanted to recreate one of her looks. She deserves everything that she has. She even deserves more. She's a beautiful human being, and I love her. I love her so much. She always tries to be positive. She never has anything to do with drama, which is what I strive for here on my channel. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I talk to y'all mostly over on those platforms. And that is it. All right, let's start this. By the way, I've watched this video like 3 times before I decided to do this tutorial. Backstory, Made You Look by Lex was actually the first body paint channel that I ever started watching when I first got into it. Before I had ever done any body paints on anyone, not even myself. I bought a little tiny body paint set. It was like this big. It had like 8 colors, and I just did some stuff on my arm just to kind of practice, and then I looked up some body painting tutorials on YouTube, and Made You Look by Lex was the first one that I ever watched, so you know, it's very brings happy memories of when I first started doing the things that I do. I don't know how many years ago that was, but it was a lot of years ago. And so I'm just gonna try and recreate her Valentine's Day Cupid rendition. It was really cute, and she does amazing original characters. I wish she would do more. I love them. Let's jump into this tutorial. I've already watched this I think 3 or 4 times already, so I know she covers her eyebrows. I already glued them down with a glue stick, and then we're gonna go from there.
Cupid, my ears are like my whole life right now. I will love them until the end of time. I then like to give myself a base of foundation, but once again, totally optional. This is very pale foundation, by the way. I mean, at some point in life, this does match me, but not all the time. Then decided I was gonna use Makeup Forever's cream color for the first time, and
I don't have the Makeup Forever Flash palette, but I do have a different cream color paint, and we're going to put that all over my face. And staying true to the video, we're gonna put it on just like Lex did. And pray to God that it goes at least half as well as it goes for her.
I'll just glob it all over my face. I mean, hey, it got the job done, but then I decided maybe I should be a little bit more professional, and I smoothed it out with
not done.
Cannot say smoothed to save my life. It always goes smoothed is how it comes out every time. I don't understand. I then applied white eyeshadow all over my face. Throughout this entire video, I'm using the exact same hot pink eyeshadow. It just depends if I'm mixing it with white or if I'm leaving it by itself.
It's not one of my favorite body paints, but it is the only white one that I have on hand right now, so I'm gonna have to use it and set the crap out of it just so it doesn't become blotchy, but I'm sure it's going to become blotchy, so I'm sorry about that.
And I have no primer on my skin other than the body paint. I'm just drawing directly onto the paint. Using that hot pink eyeshadow, I'm creating a shape around my eye. This can be kind of tedious, but it looks nice when it's done. I'm then gradually adding more pink to this shape and blending it out as I go, adding and blending. And to make your blending easier, you can use white eyeshadow to blend with.
You make working with cream paints look way easier than it is.
For my nose, I want to do kind of a cute sort of pixie nose, kind of mixed with a bunny. So I first laid down a base of white eyeshadow to make the pink lighter. And I just very lightly brushed it around my nose and a little bit on my upper lip. I then went in and added more hot pink eyeshadow just to the tip of my nose. The same thing goes with all the blending of the pink on my face. I first laid down white eyeshadow and then went in with hot pink eyeshadow and just kept blending it out of a mix of those two colors. For my brows, I wanted to draw inspiration from a pixie fairy type character and decided to go with a more straight up brow. I also added the hot pink to the inner part of my bottom lip. Because I wanted some of the hearts to stand out a little more, I also added hot pink dots to my cheeks, making sure that each dot for sure was filled in with a white heart. I went back to the white body paint to add the highlights to my nose, my lip, add the hearts in on my cheeks, my eyes, my eyebrow, and my forehead. Moving on to my body, I applied my body the same way that I did my face, first laying out a white base of eyeshadow and then going in and blending in hot pink. I also added the dots and a lot of hearts. This is totally optional. This look was a little tad too cutesy. I had to add a little something, little tiny creepiness, I guess, into it. So I added a more anatomically correct, at least close to anatomically correct, heart on my chest using the hot pink eyeshadow and then blended that out.
Oh, I feel like this is gonna be bad, but I'll try anyway.
I then added a heart reading on each side of the heart. I know some EMT is gonna come in here and be like, Lex, you have a very irregular heartbeat on your chest. Going back to the white body paints, I then filled in a white outline in the middle of all of that.
So I'll give a moment to hope that this goes right.
Here we go, my favorite part, my ears. I'm obsessed with them. I added some Prozade to my ears, waited for it to be sticky, stuck on my ears. Painted them white using that same white body paint, and then filled in the inside of my ears with hot pink. So happy of this choice. I really like the way it turned out, and blended it into the whites. I then just did some finishing touches, add a little more white and a little more pink to different areas of my body.
Whoa! It looks so awesome. I don't know if it's even close to Lex's, but I absolutely love this, and I think this was so much fun. I think I'm gonna do a couple more videos like this just to, you know, give little shout outs to my favorite YouTubers. And oh, hello. Oreo, you can't. Let me do my intro first. Thank you. That is it for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. I post new videos every single week, and I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I do talk to y'all mostly on those platforms, and especially Snapchat. And that is it. I really hope Made You Look sees this. If you could, it would be awesome if you tagged her somewhere. That's all for this tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Bye! I think that's it. Now I get to go wash it off in the shower again, guys.